going with it, hit it the other way.
Hao-Yu Lee, he can spray it all over. And the second offering to him, grounder up the middle. This could be two. They'll flip the second one. Relay is in time, and that'll be a 6-4-3 double play. And so far, the ball has been put in play a couple of times. That means Wilkerson's probably throwing some strikes here early.
That's his game, right? Pitch on the plate, get the ball down, change speeds, keep the ball down, get your ground balls, let your defense work a little bit.
And not anything overwhelming. And Cleveland's at home against the Angels after they just played the Dodgers. Chopper over to third. Hao-Yu Lee scoops that, fires across in time, and heck.
Look how you are to get hurt.
1-2 pitch. Another chopper hit on the left side of the infield. Hao-Yu Lee cuts it off neatly and fires over 5-3. Well, how about this? He's had 3 strikeouts. All the other outs are ground ball outs.
He's staying down in the zone for sure. Love to see that third baseman cut across the infield like that. Sometimes guys don't do that. But I think if that third baseman can cut that ball off, anything he can cut off, he's got to go get.
And you got a guy there that is really working hard at learning that third base position, and Hao-Yu Lee, mostly a second baseman coming up. Short order, he answered it for you. The first pitch swinging is Hao-Yu Lee, driving one high in the air, not moving much is done. The center fielder, he's 0 for 1. And a grounder hit over to Lee. He's got that. Fires across the diamond in time. Another 1-2-3 inning. Turned in for Sawyer Gipson-Long. He's now set down 13 consecutive.
I'll see you next time.
And the pitch will be off the plate. A good comeback for Wilkinson after. And the 1-0 is right there for a strike.
You can see how he's locating, right? I mean, he's not missing. You know, he's got catcher set up inside. The ball is inside. He doesn't miss away. Not missing up or down. He's throwing the ball right where that catcher's setting up. It's really hard.
1-2 pitch drifted high in the air. The 1-2 slap foul back to the screen. And the 1-2 coming up. Wilkinson delivers, swing and a miss. He just struck out the side in the 5th inning as Hao-Yu Lee goes down swinging. We'll move on to the 6th. The 1-1. Cracked over to third. Nice backhand stop by Lee. He's got a long throw across the diamond, and he got him by a step. Nice work by Hao-Yu Lee.
Went deep down the line behind third base. That's the longest throw that the third baseman has to make for a second baseman to slide over there and be able to make that throw. See him rocket that ball across there in plenty of time to get the runner. Very nice play.
Well, what an outing for Sawyer Gipson-Long. They're going to take him out. 53 pitches to get through. 5 1/3 innings as Matt Manning is going to come on. Out 17 is not a great ratio. And the pitch is going to be a bit high from Maxwell.
My man needs some
1-0 is a little bit in.
more conditioning, I think.
And the 2-0 coming up. That's going to be low and outside. From Zach Maxwell to Hao-Yu Lee. 3-0 the count on Hao-Yu Lee. Matt Seelinger is loosening up down in the Mud Hens bullpen. Looks like he might get the 9th. And the 3-0 swing and a foul. Hao-Yu Lee decided day from Louisville before they got here. Grounder down the first base line. That'll be a base hit off the bat of Hao-Yu Lee. He's digging for a second, and he'll be in there with a 2-out double. His first hit of the night for Hao-Yu Lee. And I was talking about Luis May got called up by the Reds. Another guy hits 102, 103 miles an hour. And I saw he was throwing for Cincinnati over the weekend.
Hao-Yu Lee doing a great job right there. You get that 100-mile-an-hour fastball away, just get the barrel to it, and it'll jump, and it sure did right down the line.